How to fix Google Chrome download failed network error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply locate your Google Chrome application and tap and hold on it. Now go to its app info. Go to the storage section and then tap on clear cache. Now make sure you have been connected to a stable internet. After that, go to Play Store and then search for Chrome. Now, if you see an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and then get the latest version of Google Chrome. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.